Good morning, Vietnam.
Good morning.
How are you?
Umuulan.
It's rainy Vietnam today. It's Saturday, and you know Vietnam welcomes us with little rain, but no problem. We're in our hotel, and our hotel is located somewhere
In Hanoi.
in Hanoi, and it's like 30 minutes from here. 30 minutes.
40 minutes.
40 minutes.
40 minutes?
Yeah.
So, Oman, this means something like you're traveling from Muscat to Barca or to Musana. And if you're from the Philippines, you are from the airport to Bulacan, something like that. But anyway, expressway. But toll ano? Looks like the NLEX. Looks like Philippines NLEX. Pay for the toll. It's free toll here. And look at their road. Yeah, it's clean.
It's like the vibe is like
Yeah, it's clean and spacious. Yeah, they're giving us a Philippine vibe. And at this moment, without the traffic yet, but let's find it.